Hey everyone, I'm Darryl with Cooking with Darryl. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Today I'm doing a review of some wings brought to me by the Texas Meat Company, sold through Gordon Food Service stores. The four flavors we're cooking today are the buffalo blue cheese, the Sriracha Spicy Mustard, the Mango Habanero, which may be my favorite, and the ghost pepper ranch. Here's what I love about this concept. I do wings a lot, but when I go do wings, it's always about, do I want to do buffalo? Do I want to do Parmesan? Do I want to do peanut? The flavors is what gets me, because then there's a lot of prep that has to go into the flavors, and it's kind of hard to put them all together to satisfy your group. So when I heard about these party wings, I thought, this is a great idea. They're already seasoned. All you got to do is cook them. Brilliant. So what we're going to do today, we're going to cook them two ways. One, on the grill, two, in the air fryer, and of course you can always cook them in the oven. I'm going to put each flavor on a separate dish so that we don't mix them up. I like the way that the drums and the flats are almost, they are perfect size. That's what I love about a wing. I don't need a wing this big, and I don't want a teeny one. These guys seem to be perfect size. And when it comes to wings, I love these flavor profiles. The ones I eat all the time are really just basic buffalo blue cheese, but now the blue cheese is actually flavored on the wing. Gonna be interesting to see how those taste. I love anything habanero. Mango habanero, ghost pepper. To me, the hotter the better, so it's gonna be an interesting taste test for sure. Another thing I like about these is the heat levels. I like a lot of heat on mine, and when you look at these, you can see the heat level on each of the bags, so you know exactly what you're getting. I'm gonna spray my grill grate with some non-stick spray. I'm gonna start with the hottest at the top, the ghost pepper ranch. Remember, I'm not putting them all on. I'm gonna do about 10 to 12. And a mix of flats and drums. Same with Mango Habanero. I'm gonna go this way. Sriracha Spicy Mustard. And then buffalo blue cheese will go over here. I'm gonna start with the buffalo blue cheese because they're the least spiciest of the four, and I don't wanna waste my taste buds. If they're too hot, I won't be able to taste the other ones. So here we go. Get a good dip on there. Nice and meaty. I like that. I like the fact that the buffalo sauce isn't drowning in the wings. It's just got a great hint of buffalo and blue cheese, all done in the process. Delicious. Now we got the Sriracha Spicy Mustard. Look at the char. I love what the grill does. Again, dip in the blue cheese. All right, getting a kick of the Sriracha right now, but not too bad. Very nice flavor profile. Never really thought of spicy mustard, but you can taste it. Very nice. Believe it or not, I had a little nose run from the last ones, but it's not. My mouth isn't hot. Mango Habanero. I predicted these would be my favorite. Let's see. The sweet and spicy go great together. What I love about anything habanero, it's got a little back end heat. Not right when you hit it, I'm feeling it right now. But I love it. So these cooked up the best on the grill. Look at the nice char on all of them. Must be something in the seasoning. Here we go. I'm not gonna dip in the blue cheese because they're ghost pepper ranch. Let's give them a shot. So these have a nice creamy finish to them. Must be the ranch. I like them. Not surprisingly, the two spicy ones are probably my favorite. Are you kidding me? Now we're going air fryer, 385 for about 15 minutes. I've got the two spicy ones, the habanero and the ghost peppers going in. Halfway through, we're gonna flip them once. Check these out. The air fryer did a heck of a job crisping these up. So here's what I love about these. Whether you like them grilled or whether you like them in the air fryer, they turn out perfect. Again, the ease of these is the fact that these are not just coated. They're actually marinated and tumbled, which I think brings all that flavor inside. Perfect finger-friendly size, affordable, easy to share. And what I like about them, you can take them to a picnic, a party, or a tailgate. These Texas Meat Company wings are gonna be at my next tailgate. Are you kidding me?